Well, 3 miles an hour. It's 20 after 8. I left at 6. I'm just now coming up onto the sign here in Brooklyn Park telling me of the split, the 94-694 split. And as you can see, we're lucky to break 5 miles an hour. Gridlock. As far as the eye can see, in front of and behind. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. See if we can get a better angle over here. Gridlock. As far as the eye can see. And it's not going to be much better on the way home. Yeah, I'm over 2 hours in, but I think I might turn it around here. This is crazy. The other side, too. Almost just as bad. Good times.